Hello, welcome back to the Financial Freedom TV. This is a channel where we teach people how they can generate income and how they can manage their finance, specifically online, and make money. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can pass your transcription test. Yeah, you heard me. A number of people have reached out to me, having watched a couple of videos I've shared before on my channel, and saying that they need to understand how they can pass the transcription test. I shared a little bit of it in my former video, but I guess a number of people did not pay attention to it because they were quickly going through the money part, which is of course very important. However, in this video, I'm going to take my time to explain to you the hack and the secret of passing your transcription test. But there's something I need you to do and understand. I have a bonus for you. What you need to do to get that bonus is: 1, subscribe to this channel, like this channel, comment on this channel, and share this channel. 4 things you need to do: subscribe, like, share, and comment on this channel. And I'm going to be picking among all of those people who do this randomly. I'm going to be picking someone and giving a gift of $20. You heard me right. I'm going to be giving a gift randomly of $20, and the person who got it, I would encourage the person to come comment on the comment section and you'll see it. All right, let's go straight right in. Subscribe also. What I want to be sharing with you today is how you can pass your transcription test. Now, there are 2 things that have to do with transcription. The first thing is listening skill, because transcription is all about translating words that have been said in audio into text. So if you don't have a good listening skill, there is no way you'll be able to pass, because you'll be hearing the wrong thing, or hearing one thing and typing another thing, or hearing the wrong thing and typing something else. So it is very important that you have a very good listening skills. The second thing you need to learn is how to type. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to learn how to type very, very fast. The reason being that I remember when I started my transcription journey, I used to type a 1 hour, a 4-minute audio. Sometimes I would spend 5 hours, 6 hours transcribing, because it has to be perfect for you to be paid. And after a while, for some of these companies, if your transcription keeps coming with too many corrections, they will drop you off. And you don't want that. So you need to learn how to listen properly, and you need to learn how to type very, very fast, because the faster you transcribe, the more content you transcribe, the more money you will make. It's as simple as that. There is no 2 ways about it. Alright guys, so this video is going to be showing you how you can pass your transcription test. There are 3 things I will be showing you. 2 things is talking about skill, and the last one is going to be a hack you can use to pass your transcription test, and you can also use it subsequently as you transcribe. The first thing is listening skill. So you go on britishcouncil.org.ng. Listen carefully, britishcouncil.org.ng. Now this is the IELTS platform, and it's going here. What you're going to be learning here is how to listen. All right, so you're going to click on free IELTS tutorials. All right, so you're going to click here, free IELTS tutorials. Now when you get here, what you want to focus on is your listening skills. All right, so basically this is where you listen, improve your English, and prepare for IELTS. All right, so this is where you listen carefully and improve. Now you need to be able to solve this website properly, and then there's going to be a place where you can even take a test. So you listen carefully, and then you translate, you type what you're listening to. So this website is going to teach you how to listen properly. Guys, listen properly. Alright guys, the next thing you want to do is to come on typingtest.com, and then you would click on your type of test. So you want to do medium text. This is where you check on how long you want to. So you just start with easy text, so you would just grow and learn gradually. You pick on 1 minute. So here you click on your start your test. Now there are different type of tests you can take here, and of course all of them work very well for you. You can do tricky keys, you can do the normal typing course. It doesn't matter what you pick, any of them works. Now when you start typing here, you need to understand that it takes 40 minutes. it takes 40 words per second, rather. That's how they judge you. 40 words per second. All right, it's called WPS. That's the unit for measuring how fast or how slow your typing skill is. And you need to do this over and over and over and over and over again, guys, to understand properly how you can type, so that when you listen, it will be very, very easy for you to type. Now, the hack I want to show you. All right, before I will show you that hack, I need you to do something for me. Hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification button, the like button, and then comment on this video so that more people would see it. It will help more people. This channel is all about helping people, so let's help people out there. Let's help people get this information. I feel like one of the reasons why people don't really change their life is not because they lack the zeal, it's because they lack the information. All right, so guys, like, share, subscribe so people would see this video more. Right, the next thing I want to show you, the hack, is very simple. You come to YouTube. Now, oftentimes when you're applying for transcription tests, for instance, Gotranscript, they're going to give you an audio. They're going to give you an audio text, an audio word. Now, what you do with this audio is listen to it carefully and transcribe it. Now, the secret is this. The hack is this. If you don't really understand the text, because sometimes accent can be a problem for some of us, right? Especially people in third world nations and all. Accent can be a problem. Now, the simple trick is you pick that audio text and come to YouTube and upload it on YouTube. Now, you just have to create a channel on YouTube and upload it on YouTube. Having done that, assuming you have uploaded it on YouTube, you just come here. This is where you create. So you click on create, and you see this upload video. Then you just upload your audio. You can just attach your audio to certain pictures using any mobile video editing app on your phone and put it on your channel. All right, so having done that, you come on your videos. This is a hack, guys. This is something a lot of people will not share with you out there on how to pass your transcription test. As a matter of fact, a lot of people don't know it. I've spent like 3 years working and earning money online, and it has changed my life, guys. It has changed my life completely. So what you do is that, assuming this is your video, this is the audio text that you attach to pictures and uploaded on YouTube, yeah? So you click on details, then it's gonna come to this page. What you do is you come here and click on subtitles. So having clicked on subtitles, it's gonna bring you to this page. So you click on duplicate and edit. It's very simple, guys. This is one of my videos. All right, so this is it, guys. See, hello, hi. So I'm going to be showing you. In fact, I even repeated a word here, and guess what? It typed the word exactly. YouTube has transcribed everything I said in that audio into text. So imagine if they give you an audio to transcribe, and then you just upload it on YouTube. Having uploaded it on YouTube, you just come follow the strategy. You're going to get everything. In fact, even the exclamations, everything. Now, what you now have to do is you have a responsibility. Like I said, making money online is not a lazy man thing. It's work, right? Though the money is much, but it's work. So you now listen carefully and follow through and make sure that there is no error whatsoever. Having done this, guys, your audio text is ready. All you have to do is to copy this and paste it, and you've passed your test. Nobody out there is going to show you this strategy. No YouTuber is going to show you the strategy. That's why I said this channel is not about making money and all that. It's just all about helping you. That's why it's called Financial Freedom TV. It's about helping you. At the end of the day, my joy will be that a lot of people come back and give testimonies on how my videos help them. All right, guys, please do very well. Help me to hit on the subscribe button. That's the only way you can assist this channel to grow, and meet more people. Hit on the subscribe button so that this video can reach more people. Thank you very much for watching.